Let's look at the parts of a microscope. When you collect your microscope, it will have a protective dust cover over the top to keep the microscope clean. You can remove this before you start. Then unwrap the power cord, plug it in and turn it on at the mains. Then use a switch on the microscope to turn on the lamp. The base of the microscope at the bottom and the arm around the back are the way that you will carry your microscope safely. At the top, there's an eyepiece lens to look through. This is a 10 times magnification. It's also known as the ocular lens. The objective lenses are found on the rotating nose piece. There are 3 with different powers so that you can have different magnifications. Use the clips to hold slides in place on the stage. The diaphragm controls how much light from the lamp goes through your specimen. You can adjust the focus using a large coarse focusing knob and a fine focus. Sometimes those 2 knobs are separated, so you have a large wheel for the coarse focus and a smaller wheel for the fine focus.